Duffy, President of South Dakota Corn Growers, combining corn here south of Oldham on a nice full day. Just enjoying the fruits of my labor from this spring. We're out here in a cornfield. This is a triple stack, which means it has rootworm and BT, and it's Roundup ready. What this has enabled us to do is just enable us to increase our yields, basically the same inputs that we've been using, and our yields have increased accordingly. Our yields have almost doubled from where it was 10 years ago, and I think it just made us realize that how much we were losing to the pests that we had back then, and it's just amazing what this technology has done for us. You know, we use some of our corn to feed our calves as we back Roundup. We also take a lot of it to the ethanol plant or to our local elevator in town who sells it to the ethanol plant. But we also use some of the distiller's grain that comes out of that ethanol plant to, again, feed our calves. And so we're getting more than one use out of our corn, and so it's just a very productive way for us to make efficient use of the crops that we raise. We've got some low ground right ahead of us that we put into this wetland CRP probably 3 years ago, and it's good habitat. It's a low area. It's land that we probably can't farm most years, and so it's just kind of a win-win deal.